Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your TCL 60E SE NXTpaper. So first, check the volume levels. So unlock your phone, now hold the volume up button, click three dots here, and now check the volume levels. Basically what you guys need to do is put them here at least as a half. Now if it's still not working, then try and clean the speaker grill with a soft brush and make sure that Bluetooth is disabled to make sure that audio isn't rerouted to any other device. Now to check the Bluetooth, go to settings. Here we will have it almost at the top, the Bluetooth, as you guys can see. Make sure that it's either disabled or that no devices are connected to your phone. Now what you guys can do is try and test the phone in the safe mode to rule out any app interference. So hold the power button. Now after holding it, hold the power off, and now your phone will reboot into safe mode. Basically this will disable every single third-party app, so every app you downloaded, and you guys would be able to check if it's made by an app or by your phone. So now as a last resort, check your software. So go to system, now system update. Here it will check automatically. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version, and you should too, because in the latest versions they fix a lot of glitches, and it can include the speaker glitch. So make sure to update your system regularly. Now go to system. If you want to do one more thing, it's only if it's needed. So back up your phone first. Go here, enable the backup by Google One. Now click backup now. After that, I recommend you guys clicking reset options, erase all data. As a factory reset, you will lose everything on the device, including your personal information, Google accounts, downloaded apps, and much more. So only do that if it's needed and if the speaker is still not working. And if it's still not working after the factory reset, then the issue might be with the hardware, and you should probably get it checked out in the service center by a professional. So that'll be it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a comment, subscribe, and like. See you next time.